welcome back to my channel. This is Susan back in another video. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of this Famcard. So when you ask me what's this Famcard? The Famcard is a card which is used for UPI payments and other stuff, and it's just for swiping. So Fampay is an app which is used for UPI payments. If you are a teen below 18 years, above 11 years, you can do this. You can get the KYC just under a minute. You have to bear a minute. So the link will be in the description below. You could just log in on that, and this is the really good thing. So I'm going to unbox this Famcard and show you what the box contains. You might see the Famcard, and in this there are something mentions over here, my name and some stuff over here. So I'm just going to unbox this thing up over here. It's just easy, just unboxing this way. I'm pretty excited for this thing. So inside this, I got this Fampay written over here. Inside, if I open, welcome to the fam. Okay, it's good. So in this, they have mentioned that what's this Fampay and to activate your card, some information. And now they have given allow. It's there. It's here. We are super thrilled to present you the first of our cards. We hope you find this card as amazing as you are. You can now embark the financial journey with us, and we promise that you will never miss the cash again. So, okay. Now over here, you're getting Team Fampay, and I am all yours. And if I lift this, oh, this is a really good card. So here they have written Naveen. You could see this over here, Naveen. And here there is a chip provided. Now one thing that I want to clear on this card is that you can't just go and swipe it on your ATMs. It's just working on the swiping machines, and you know that what is swiping machines and all those stuff. And now this card I got for free. Now for the free experience I have given I have not given any money for this. So with not giving money also, they have given the really good thing. And let me check if anything is there over here. I think nothing is present over here. No, there is nothing that is present inside this. It's just a kind of thing. So thank you for watching this.